ಹೀಗಂದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಎದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಾನೆ ಅಂತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಬಾಯಿ ತೆಗ್ದೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಕಿತ್ತು ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನು. ಹುಷಾರ್.
In a heartbreaking development, legendary Kannada actress Leelavathi, aged 92, succumbed to age-related illnesses today at a private hospital in Nelamangala. The actress, bedridden for the last 2 weeks, leaves behind a legacy of over 600 films spanning Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam languages. Recognized with the Rajkumar Award for Lifetime Achievement in 1999 and 2000, Leelavathi was not only an icon on screen but also a dedicated mother and active participant in agriculture. Expressing his sorrow, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah tweeted, and I quote, "The news of veteran Kannada film actress Leelavathi's passing is painful. Last week, I visited her home, inquired about her health and spoke to her son Vinod Raj. Disheartened by her demise, he continued, my belief that Leelavathi, who mesmerized audiences for decades, would recover is false. I pray for her soul to rest in peace and her family to find strength in this time of grief." Leelavathi's departure marks the end of an era in Indian cinema, leaving fans and the film industry mourning the loss of a true luminary.